distributions will most likely be blank. If a class is composed of brilliant students, what would your distribution look like? Would this be letter A, very normal? Letter B, platycurtic. Letter C is skewed to the right? Or letter D is skewed to the left? If your students are brilliant, okay, ano po yung magiging itsura ng ating pong distribution? Ang tumpak na choice po natin dito, of course, is letter D. Tama po kayo, no? Skewed to the left. Bakit po skewed to the left? No? So, kapag sinabi po kasi nating skewed, no? Skewed, ang skewness po natin, ito po yung tail ng ating distribution. Ibig sabihin, ito po yung kukonting scores na meron tayo, no? So, sabi natin, no, skewed to the left or negatively skewed. Okay? So, skewed to the left or negatively skewed. That means, kukonti, yung may negative score, mas marami yung brilliant students. Okay? Basta, we have to remember na baliktad po siya, no? Kapag skewed to the left or negatively skewed, magagaling yung ating mga estudyante. Kapag skewed to the right or positively skewed, medyo bobits yung ating mga estudyante, no? Yung symmetrical distribution naman po natin or normal bell curve, ibig sabihin po niyan, wala po tayong skewness. Karamihan po sa mga students natin, average ang nakuha.